However you make the doodle bird body, there's all of the features that's going to come in and actually make it stand out and become the bird that it's going to be. You can start with any of the features that you want to. You can start off with the beaks, you can start off with the eyes, you can start off with the legs. It's really up to you and how you want to start. But where you put the legs, whether they're straight and crossing, or perhaps swinging about, or maybe they are a little bit wobbly. It's going to change what your doodle bird does.